Alibaba Cloud TableStore is a fully managed NoSQL database service. This means that you can store and retrieve massive amounts of semi-structured data and never have to worry about operating a distributed database. With hardware setup, software patching, cluster scaling, data replication all taken care of, you can focus on the actual data, which is what really matters to grow your business. TableStore is an ideal fit for solutions that require dynamic scaling and high throughput, such as the Internet of Things, games, and mobile applications. You can store a massive amount of data at petabyte level in a single table with unlimited number of columns. In today's connected world, suppose you want to create a centralized storage for a transportation network. Let's go use TableStore. On AlibabaCloud.com console, select TableStore. First, we need to create an instance. You may have many tables within an instance. Click Create Instance. I will call this instance Vehicle Demo. Now that we've created the instance, choose this instance. Click on Create Table. I will call this table Vehicle Status Table. For the purpose of this demo, I will leave all other settings in their default value. Let's create two primary keys. Click OK, immediately begins creating the table. Now the table is ready for use. Next, we will add some data to the table. Select the table and choose Data Editor. Click on Insert. In addition to the primary keys, let's add more columns to record GPS information. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to query and search your table. Click on Search. Using the range search method, let's target a particular vehicle using the primary key ID. This search result describes the route that this vehicle has taken according to GPS data. We can further specify the timestamp value to locate the vehicle at a given time. Try Alibaba Cloud TableStore at alibabacloud.com.